Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly create a newsletter in GetResponse. First, log into your GetResponse account. On the dashboard, click on the Tools tab from the top menu. Next, click on Email Marketing. Now, click the Create Newsletter button on the right. From here, I will choose to create by myself. Give your newsletter a name that's easy to identify, and add a catchy subject line that will grab your readers' attention in their inbox. You can even use personalization to include their name for a more customized feel. Next, choose the list or segment you want to send your newsletter to. Just select the audience list you've built in GetResponse, or create a new one. Now comes the fun part. Choose a template from GetResponse's collection, or start from scratch. You can drag and drop text, images, and buttons to build your newsletter. Don't forget to add links to your website or other call-to-action buttons to engage your readers. Once you're happy with your design, here you can preview your newsletter, test it on mobile, and make sure everything looks perfect. When you're ready, click Next. I am going to leave click tracking selected. We have the option to send immediately or schedule for later. I am going to leave send immediately selected. When you're ready, hit the send button. And that's it, you've just created and sent your newsletter. The screen is saying that it will send your message in 60 seconds, and that's it. And there you have it. Creating a newsletter in GetResponse is super simple. If you're new to GetResponse, you can get a 30-day free trial by using the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.